Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a nightclub slow dance clip. We're going to show you how to do a travelling basic, and it's going to be really useful if you already know how to do a basic and an overturn basic. If you don't know them, the videos for them are already up, which means you can nip off, learn them, come back when you're ready for the travelling basic. So we'll show you it first. We're going to do one basic, one travelling basic, and one basic to finish. That goes like this, goes 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's break that down. It's probably going to be best if we start this side facing away from you. So all together, let's do one basic. We go forward, rotate, side, side. Here comes the travelling basic. So we do step one as usual, forwards. What we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to continue forwards, and we're going to keep the rotation that we do normally done going backwards going while we go forwards. So the lady's going to rotate pretty much on the spot, and the guy is going to be going around her. So we get rotate. Feels a little bit like a reverse ballroom turn. Now guys, we're going to keep turning. We're going to step back a little bit with that left as we go side, which gives the lady a little bit more space and a little less reach required. And then we can square everything else up nicely as we go side to finish our 4. One basic to finish, forward, rotate, side, side. Let's do that from the other side with numbers. So we do one basic, forward 1, rotate 2, side 3, side 4. Now the travelling basic goes forward 1, lots of rotation, guys getting around the lady as we go 2. As we continue around, we go past for side 3, side 4, and then it's one basic, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to try it to a count, and we're going to do a little routine. So we do a basic to start, a travelling basic, and then to set ourselves up to come back, we'll do a basic and an overturn basic, and then it's just a travelling basic and a basic to finish. That sounds like a lot to remember. I will call it all the way through, don't worry. So let's try it. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. Forward, rotate, side, travelling basic, forward, rotate, side. Side, normal basic, rotate, overturn basic, forward, rotate, side, travelling basic, forward, rotate, side, side, normal basic, rotate, side, side, and that's it. New step for your nightclub slow dance. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with yet another step to use. If you've been enjoying what we do, please like the videos, and if you want to know every time they come out, subscribe and hit the bell. There'll be music recommendation on the end. See you next time. I hope you have enjoyed learning some nightclub slow dance. There is a link to some music that is good to dance nightclub slow dance to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You're helping us to make more clips. Keep dancing, everybody.